Hello everyone. In today's lecture, I will teach you about Python logical operators. What are Python logical operators? Python logical operators are basically used to combine two or more conditions and perform the logical operations using and or not. Comparisons are used to compare two variables, but if we want to match more than one conditions, very simple. Python logical operators will do the trick for you. Python offers three logical operators. The first one is AND, the second one is OR, and the third one is NOT operators. These work on one or more operands, one or more conditions, one or more statements, and depending on their values, evaluate to true or false. Then decisions are made based on this. The first one is Python AND operator. Python AND operator, it will return true when both conditions are true, and operator will return true if both conditions will be fulfilled. The Python AND operator is a binary operator, which means it requires two operands. Okay, the general syntax look like this: operands 1 and is and then operand 2, like age greater than 18, and then logical operator and then age less than or equal to 35. These are the two conditions, and in these two conditions in between, here is the AND logical operator. The output is true if and only if both the operands are true. It will give you in the output true if both conditions are fulfilled. If any operand is false, then output is false. If any condition is not fulfilled, then the output will be false. Let's try it. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 6. Okay. And condition is A is greater than 2 and A should be greater than 2. Okay. And second condition is that B should be greater or equal to 6. Either it should be greater, either it should be equal to 6. Let's run it. Here you can see this in the output that it is true, because if we look at the first condition, A should be greater than 2. Yes, A is greater than 2. In the second condition, A is equal to or greater than 6. It's equal to 6. Let's change it. I would say A is greater than 2. A is equal to 5. 5. I write here 8. Okay. Now run it again. False, because A is not greater than 8. Okay. The second logical operator is OR operator. The OR operator is also a binary operator and needs two operand, needs two conditions. The output of OR is true if any of its operands are true, else the output is false. It means that, and it's written as operand OR, then operand 2. This is age should be greater than 35, or is logical operator, age should be less than 60. The either this condition, age should be greater than 35 or age should be less than 60, either one of two should be fulfilled. Let's look at some examples. A is equal to 5, B is equal to 6. Here is our two conditions. A should be greater than 2, either B should be greater than or equal to 6. Let's run it. It's true because both conditions are fulfilled. Let's what happen if one condition is not fulfilled. A is not greater than 8. Let's run it. It's true because the second condition, that is B should be greater than or equal to 6, is fulfilled. Okay, but what if we change here? A is equal to B is equal to 8 or less than greater than 8. Okay, let's run it. It's false because not the first condition is fulfilled and neither the second condition is fulfilled. The last logical operator is not operator. Not operator is if the condition is true, the logical not operator makes it false. If a condition is fulfilled, okay, then it will change the result. It will make it false. If age is equal to true, then not returns false. Here is a condition that if age is equal to 35, it should be true. But if age is equal to 35, then it will change the final result and the result will be false. In simple terms, if the input is true, then the output is false, and if the input is false, then the output is true. Let's take b is equal to 6. Okay, and our condition is that b should be greater than or equal to 6 and b is equal to 6. Its output should be true, but not operator will convert it into false. Let's take here b should be greater than or equal to 8. It's basically false, but not operator will convert sorry, it's greater than 10. Yes, it's true because it should be b should be less than 10 or b should be equal to 10. It's true. Again, it's converting it into false. Let's take another example. 4. It's false. B should be less than or equal to 4, but its answer is false, but the not operator convert it into true. I hope so this video will help you learning about logical operators. Kindly subscribe my channel.